have reservation at. This looks really good. Like, that was dreading. So these are the shots. Hi vlog, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kay if you're new here. So I'm in Connecticut for the next few days and I'll be bringing you guys along with me as I explore, try restaurants, do all the fun things, kind of relaxing. Definitely needed this little getaway. Past 2 weeks been a little tough, so I need this little reset. I just settled in here. I have reservation at 7:15 at a restaurant. So I'm gonna meet up with my friends and have dinner and chill. The weather outside is a little gloomy. It looks like it's gonna rain. Fingers crossed that it does not rain. We've arrived at Max downtown and I already got my drink. It's my drink. Wait, hold up. I can't even show it. I feel like I'll spill it. So I ordered the sunrise reggae and it's really good. It's like passion fruit. So this is pork belly over rice.
This is a good way how to get out of the situation.
I normally don't eat pork, but this is an exception.
What?
This is good. How's the crab cake?
Very good.
The crab cake didn't stand no chance.
With a baby crab cake. And I feel like now I'm like actually feeling like I'm hungry.
Out of 1 to 10, what'd you rate it?
I'll give it like a solid like 8.5. Yo, you never even had a crab cake before. You don't know what it's even based off of.
I would rate this. I'm not a fan of like pork, so I'm gonna give it like a 7.5. Yeah.
Both of them. Very sad.
Cheers. Okay, so I ordered pasta. If you already know, me and pasta go together. Yeah, everyone else orders steak. Then there's me with pasta. But this looks really good. Like, look at those shrimp. They're so huge. This is also my first time here. So far, so good.
It's Brussels sprouts.
Okay.
The flavor. Like I say. The sauce is now too. You wanna try steak?
Yeah. Okay, let's try the steak. Let's go. Good morning. It's currently 6 o'clock. My alarm just went off and I'm gonna get my day started. My first alarm went off at 5:30 and I was dreading to wake up. Like, I am so exhausted. Last night I kind of ended things briefly. I was at Mac's downtown, the steakhouse out in Connecticut. Food was delicious. I really enjoyed what I ordered. After we had dinner at Mac's downtown, we went bowling for a little bit and then we came back to the place, got all ready, and I knocked out. But I wanted to wake up early today and get a head start. It's currently gloomy outside. I really hope it doesn't rain. Yeah, enough of me rambling. Yeah, I'll pick you guys up in a bit.
Gym, I clean it up. Yeah.
No, this is nice.
And there's music. There's no music in music.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Yeah, they just kept bringing stuff in. I'm like, where are you putting stuff? Yeah,
Oh, I love this.
Yeah.
No,
CrossFit.
this.
They got the sled.
Oh, this gym. Look at the heart. Oh.
I never even paid attention to all this before. Okay, let me get my Instagram.
Oh my gosh. Staircase master. Treadmill. Another, this is a second squat rack. Weights. The weights go up to 60 pounds. These are the final results. Okay. Hi guys. I have a special guest. This is Ashley. Is my friend. Came to see her for the weekend. So earlier, I think I left off when she was in the whole production with her juicing. So she made 2 different juices. I'm gonna have her explain her ingredients and all that. So these are the shots.
Yeah.
Are we doing both?
Yeah.
Both shots?
Should we? Okay.
We should do the same. Which one
Okay.
you want to do?
It doesn't matter.
I think
feel
I
like
wanna
This one's
do-
gonna be nasty.
I think I want this one.
Okay. I feel like this is gonna be a little. This one was not my recipe, so.
I mean, I think it's the color. The color is throwing us off.
Yeah.
Honestly, I would try both, but I feel like 2 shots back to
that'd
back
be
is a little
lot.
crazy. I'm good with 1. But I love this color. It's so cute.
Yeah.
What did you have in this one?
This one has cucumbers. It definitely has a lemon inside, ginger, a mango, and I think that's it. This one has carrots, spinach, a lime, and blackberries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's where that color comes from.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the same shot.
Yeah.
The green one is the winner. Was this your first time trying this recipe, or?
Yes. And this honestly wasn't my recipe either. So
If it's bad, we'll
yeah,
blame.
we know who to blame.
But it looks good.
It does.
All right, give it a good shake,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna try. I need to put this down.
This is on tight. What the hell? Okay.
You were the one that
I
cut.
know. Oh my god, it's so tight.
Let me smell. Okay, it doesn't smell bad.
It smells, yeah.
So cheers to health. Yes, health.
I'm scared. Okay. This is not bad though. I was thinking it's gonna be like gross, but I definitely taste the apple, so it's really not that bad.
Yeah, the green apple for sure.
Yeah.
I feel like that's like the stronger.
Mhm.
Did you put more green apple?
Yeah, I think it was like 3 apples. Yeah. So it's not bad. A lot of antioxidants. So.
It's good. I feel like I can't take a whole shot. Like, shot it.
Yeah. This is definitely good though. This is not bad. The other one, I don't know. That one I'm scared about.
Imagine that one tastes better than this, like sweeter.
Yeah, because the blackberries. It's possible. I don't know.
It's a little bit more.
Yeah.
Overall, what are we gonna rate it?
Yeah. Ratings, drum roll.
And drum roll.
Yeah.
It's definitely not on the sweet side.
Yeah.
I feel like I'll give it a 8. That's good. That's
Yeah,
really
I'm gonna give it an 8 too. 'Cause
No,
it's really
definitely
not
8.
that bad, but
It's good.
yeah.
It's really good.
And it's
It
not-
doesn't burn or
Yeah.
like, no.
The other one that I made had put cayenne pepper inside of it, so that one was like spicy. Like,
Ooh.
yeah.
Why is it so spicy?
It definitely opened up. I was like,
No, that was good.
yeah. And there's ginger in that one too. You don't even taste the ginger. So
Yeah, it was very subtle.
Yeah.
So that's so good.
back with another one.
So that brings us to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoy. I'm heading back to New York soon, so I just wanted to definitely film my outro before I forget. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.